Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. So today I'll be showing you how to unlock a locked PDF. First of all, I'm going to open my Adobe Acrobat Pro that I obtained for free. To learn how to, please refer to my other video. And I'm going to open this file here that I created. So this file, as you can see, is locked. So it means that I cannot unlock it. I cannot edit it. So it requires a password. I do not know what's the password. So I click cancel, okay. Close the file and go on this website page that will be provided in the description below. It's ilovepdf.com. I drag the file inside. Ooh, like it's hot. You can add more files if you want, or just unlock PDF. And here you go, the file is unlocked. Click on download, unlock PDF, and there you have your file that says document1 unlocked.pdf. Try to edit it. Here you go. Thank you very much for watching my video. If it works for you, please give it a thumb up, and give any comment and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you.